Hello everyone, welcome back to EducQuiz for the solutions exercise 4 on the topic of quadratic theory. So the exercise goes by the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared minus x plus 6 equal to 0 are alpha and beta. Find the quadratic equation with integral coefficients whose roots are alpha minus 2 beta and beta minus 2 alpha. So let's dive into it, which is actually roots. So let's write by the equation. You have 2x squared minus x plus 6 equals 0. We are asked, okay, let's start solving. We have sum of all roots. Sum of all roots is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b on a. What's minus b on a? Minus b is minus 1, so minus b is 1. Roots is equal to alpha beta is equal to c on a, which is equal to c on a, 6 on 2, which is equal to 3. So let's dive into the new roots. Sum of new roots will be equal to, when I add up the new roots, I have alpha minus 2 beta and beta minus 2 alpha. Alpha minus 2 beta plus beta minus 2 alpha. Yeah, that is equal to, if I bring items together, I have alpha minus 2 alpha, I have minus 3 alpha and minus 2 beta plus beta minus beta. Alpha minus 2 alpha minus 2 beta, beta minus 2 alpha. Okay. 1 minus 2. Alpha minus 2 alpha. So alpha minus, sorry for the small error. Alpha minus 2 alpha is actually 1 minus 2 is minus alpha. So minus 2 beta plus beta is minus beta. So that's actually it. And this is the same as minus into minus is a common factor. Minus 1 is a common factor. Alpha plus beta. Half. So it will just be minus half. So do same for product of new roots. Product of new roots is just that multiplied. Alpha minus 2 beta into beta minus 2 alpha. Yeah, that's what we're going to have. So when we multiply that, we're going to have this times this is alpha beta minus 2 alpha squared minus 2 beta squared. This times this is plus 4. Yeah, so all we're going to have next, alpha beta is, okay, let's just simplify. Alpha beta plus 4 alpha beta, you have 5 alpha beta. Here we have minus 2 into alpha squared plus beta squared. So here what I did is I just took minus 2 outside of these two. This minus 2 is a common factor. I can take it out and have just alpha squared and beta squared. So how am I going to continue? I will have, that will be equal to 5 beta. Is there any square here? No, there's no square here. So I have 5 alpha beta minus 2 into alpha squared plus beta squared is alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. This bracket closes this one. This one is for this one. So yeah, that is just what is inside here. Alpha squared plus beta squared is the same like alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. That will be equals to 5 into, what is alpha beta? 5 times 3. I'll have 15. Actually, I'll just put the 5 times 3 minus 2 into alpha plus beta is half. Half squared is 1/4 minus 2 alpha beta. What is alpha beta? 2 times 3 is 6. So I'll have 15 minus, if I multiply minus 2 times this, I have plus 12. That will be equal to 15 plus 12 is 27 minus half, that is hopefully I didn't make any error. Let me check alpha minus 2 beta. So I have alpha beta minus 2 alpha squared minus 2 beta squared 4 alpha beta. Yeah. Then I have alpha beta plus 4, 5 alpha beta. Then minus 2 into alpha squared plus beta squared. Yeah. There I have 5 alpha beta minus 2 into alpha squared plus beta squared, alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. Yeah. Then I have 5 alpha beta is 3 minus 2 into alpha plus beta is half squared 1/4 minus 2 times 3, 6. Yeah. Well, 15 minus half. This is minus 2 times 1/4 is minus half. Plus minus 2 times minus 6 is 12. Yeah, so when I add them up, I have 27 minus half. I'm going to have 53 and 2. Yeah, so what is the answer? Meaning the new root, the new equation is going to be x squared minus sum of new roots x, or the sum of new roots. Sum of new roots is minus half, so it will be plus 1 and 2x, then plus 53 and 2 equal to 0. Which implies if I multiply all through by 2, I'll plus x plus 53 equal to 0. So this was all for exercise 4. Hope you have understood. So I'll meet you on exercise 5. So till then, keep on solving with us on EducQuiz.